What? Wait a minute, hold on. What's this? What? You're following this studio? Welcome to Scratch Featured Projects. I'm Matt from CodeNerd.io, and I'm going to be checking out the top projects that are featured by the Scratch team. And today's project is Microscope. Let's check this out and see what it looks like. It's Microscope by LunaStarglowEXTRA. And how to use it, click on an item to see it under the microscope. Okay, let's go ahead and play this game. Full screen it. Okay. Nice. Nice artwork. Space to close. What is up with the music? It's trippy. I like it though. Let's see what's special in the code. Let's go look inside and see why this was chosen. Well, here's a little interesting code block. If seeing equals yes, then hide. It's kind of reverse to what I would think it would be. I can't see you. In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. So I like that. And it looks like at the beginning of the game, they set seeing to no. And then something in here is going to change seeing to yes. So here are the little, let's say the ant. Let's go look at that. And when this sprite is clicked, we set seeing to yes. So I like it. They're using this variable as kind of an on-off switch. We actually call that a Boolean, which means true or false. You usually wouldn't say yes or no in coding. You would usually say true and then false. That would be, I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Give you advice? You're featured. It's awesome. Another thing I really like about this project is the backdrop. They did kind of a radial gradient and it just looks awesome. They put the microscope on the backdrop. I feel like I need to show you how to do that. So now we're gonna go to the stage and we're going to go to backdrops and we're gonna paint this. So I'm gonna convert it to bitmap. It just makes it easier in this case. Paint bucket, you go up to fill right here. We choose radial gradient. You choose the two different colors you want. And in this case, I'm gonna go orange to yellow. There we go. And now we just push the paint bucket and there it is. Now let's go check out some of LunaGlow's other projects. I know, I'm a little nosy, aren't I? Chile, woolly mammoth. Who's this character? Maybe I'm just out of the loop. Is this a famous character or is this someone that you invented? The pet store. Anyways, awesome job. Congratulations for being featured by the Scratch team. So if you like this video and you want me to make some more of these, go ahead and click the like and subscribe to this channel. I'll make some more. Anyways, I'll see you later. Keep scratching.